What's going on, guys? Sirluis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys here how to make a pixelated NFT art on your phone. I'll show you guys here two apps. The first app is on iPhone and Android. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description below. And the last app, I think it's only on iPhone. So let's get started here with the first app. It's called 8-Bit Painter. I'm gonna show you guys here step by step how to use this. So when you first download the app, you log in, they're gonna have some examples here. As you guys can see, this watermelon, there's some other ones here, but you want to make your own. So what you gotta do is you gotta click here the plus button, click on that, and then it tells you the canvas size. Now you can experiment with each size. Each one will give you a different type of pixelated art, so it might not work for certain photos, right? So let's just pick this one for example, 64 by 64. And then now to add your photo, you can actually paint over this if you want to, but if you want to add your photo, click right here at the top right. And then right here, this is where you can import your photos. In this case, I'm just going to use my logo as an example. There it is. If you want to see it without the grid, you just click right here at the bottom right. And then that's how it looks without it. Obviously, it's not the best because I don't think it fits this size. But you can go back and tweak it. You can select a different size here. The photo, I'm going to choose this one right here. It's a pretty funny image. Click on done. And then boom, right here. Now, if you want to see it without the grid, you're going to click right here. And then that's how it looks without the grid. So it looks pretty good. Obviously, you gotta experiment. If you do it one time and it doesn't look good, you gotta experiment with different pixel sizes, right? So that one was, I think, 48 by 48. You just press export right over here. Okay, and then here you can click the image size. I'm gonna click this one, export, allow access to all photos, boom, and it should be in your gallery. The next one is only on iPhone. It's called editable. So right here in the beginning, you're gonna select the canvas size. So as you guys can see right here, the less, the more pixelated, as you guys can see. And it's kind of tricky to use this, but the way that you add your photo, so we're going to click right here at the layers, and then right here we're going to click image, as you guys can see, and then we're going to click convert image to pixel art. Okay, so let's look at it right here. Converted to pixel art, press that. It was converted, perfect. And then you press OK, and then boom, obviously it doesn't look good, you can barely see it, so you gotta go back, experiment, delete it, add some other images here that you want to convert. So I'm gonna actually add an image right here, a real image of these products right here, convert it to pixel art, boom, right there. So you can actually add real images and convert it to pixel art, which is pretty cool. So then after you're done, all you gotta do is click right here on export. Okay, and you press save to camera roll, and it should save it to camera roll. And if you guys want to learn how to mint NFTs for free with no gas, I'll leave it in the pinned comment below. You guys can go check that out. So yeah, that's how you basically make a pixelated NFT on your phone for iPhone and Android. And the last one is only for iPhone. So thank you guys so much for watching. All the links in the description below. Join my free crypto group on Facebook and Reddit, and definitely check out my Patreon. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.